right, today we will be covering lesson 9-2 on translations. This lesson will be split into 4 separate sections. I take that back, 5 sections. We'll be covering questions 1, question 2, question 3, questions 6 and 7, and then lastly we'll cover questions 8 and 9. So again, 5 separate sections to get through for this particular lesson. Let's go ahead and get started. Maria marches with the band. At the start of the halftime show, her position is 2,4 on the coordinate plane. Then Mr. Scott tells everyone to move 2 yards to the right on the field and 4 yards up the field. The band's transformation is shown by the diagram. For Maria's position is marked with an X. It says this type of transformation is called a translation. On the coordinate plane, a translation is described by a function of the form x, y goes to x plus a, y plus b, in which a and b are positive or negative constants. In this example above, a would be 2 and b would be 4. Just a tip on the side, math terms, a translation is a rigid motion in which every point is moved the same distance and in the same direction. A directed line segment is the distance and direction of the translation. Next, it says you can think of the translation as a figure sliding up or down, left or right, or diagonally. During the translation, every point in the figure moves the same distance and in the same direction. This distance and direction is called a directed line segment. In the diagram, the directed line segment of the translation is shown by each of the arrows. Number 1 says, complete the table to show how the translation affects 4 of the marching Cougars: Maria, Joe, Alfredo, and Legia. So again, find their pre-image and their image. Go ahead, I'm going to give you 3 minutes to find these points. All right, as you can see, the answers to the question number 1 have been provided. For Maria, notice that it went from 2,4 to 4,8. That's actually where the X is in this coordinate grid up here. But remember, we said it's going to be X plus 2 and Y plus 4. So I basically did plus 2 plus 4 to each number. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 plus 2 is 3, 8 plus 4 is 12. Now, the one problem here is that this one gave us the image and not the pre-image. So we have to go backwards. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 11 minus 4 equals 7. On to your debriefing question for this section.